Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am doing the unboxing of the card that I have ordered. So I just wanted to share with you guys. Try unboxing in front of you guys. So this is the card that I have ordered from Amazon. So, keepers of the light, oracle cards. So, let's open this plastic cover also. Okay, so this is the card, guys. Oh my god, oh my god. This is the only, one card which I always wanted to, to have with me. The Archangel Michael. My god. So I never thought that this will be the first card that I will see. My most favorite card, Archangel Michael, trusting heaven. You are safe and angels stand close. Surrender your concern and allow a miracle to occur. Oh my god, this is the very good message. My god. So these are the cards, guys. It's just like blessing that Archangel Michael giving to me, showing his card. So Archangel Michael is all with you guys. Okay, so why not have a reading, guys? What do you say? Let's see what is the card for you guys. What archangels wants to give you the message, or angels, Oh my god, this is so amazing feeling by shuffling these cards, So let's see what is the message. Oh, so Lady Gaia is with you, Earth connection. Okay, so you need to, make a connection with the, this nature. So be mindful of the planet. Come back to earth, stay grounded. So Lady Gaia is saying to you that you need to be grounded and just go park and share your energy with the trees, with the nature, anything, whatever you feel that you feel so positive with the thing, the nature thing. Okay guys, with the water you can say also. So see this blue color, wow. Oh my god. Okay guys, so thank you guys for supporting me. Okay, so keep liking and loving me always. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much. You wanna see again the cards? So many cards guys. Let's see. Wow. Whoa, see Kali Ma. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. See Radha Ma, Radha Rani. For you guys who loves Radha Rani. Have faith guys, always. Okay. See Lord Ganesha. Wow. Green Tarama, see. Wow, so beautiful cards, yaar. I really love these cards. Where is my Lord Shiva? My God. Where is my Lord Shiva? Oh. I think below the card. Oh my god, these both cards. I really love. I really love. Love you, my lord. Love you. So, infinite abundance, guys. Infinite abundance is waiting for you. You need to just dance with the universe. Okay, guys. So, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.